There's a bee! What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Salmon, back at it again from Flight for Hype, man. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I am so excited to unbox what I'm about to unbox right here. Yes, we have the Bread 11s in hand. Wait, if you are new to this channel and you ride the sneaker wave, you guys like on feats, unboxings, entertainment,
you even like to be informed on the most hype releases coming out every single month, then this is the channel for you, and consider hitting that subscribe button.
I finally got it. We are going to be doing a crazy collaboration in a Toronto store on Monday, so stay tuned for that. And honestly, we've been pumping out content like crazy, so I would much appreciate if you go show us some love and see all the other reviews that we have done. We're small sneaker YouTubers and we're trying to grow for sure. So long story short, man, someone broke into my house a long time ago and stole literally all my kicks, so now I had to start from scratch. So eventually you will see this wall build up. Without further ado, let's waste no more time. I have been waiting for this pair. Boom, guys, let's get into this review right now. I can't believe these are in my hands right now, man. A lot of people hated these. As soon as people got these in hand, I'm telling you, this was a cop for sure. Travis Scott literally put me on the 270 wave. I already got another pair of 270s. Go check out the review as well. Well, it's not really a review, but I just showed you guys I got it anyways. So we got a 9.5. Woo! Bro, look at this nice creamy beige tissue paper, man. Cactus Jack all over the paper. Yo, someone's gotta help me. Someone. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, these are fire, man. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say right now. I cannot believe I have these in my hand. And we're gonna set that right there. In my hand right now, we have the Air Max 270 Cactus Trails, man. Oh my god! These are my Grail sneakers. I don't know what it's been like, but I've just been wanting these sneakers for so long. Ever since I saw these in pictures. I know prices have drastically gone down in them for a while on StockX right now. I honestly believe, like, if you're gonna get a pair of these right now is definitely the best time to get these, because they will eventually go up in price. They may not hit the $1,000 mark, but trust me, these are gonna go up, especially when people start to realize of how sick these are. So basically what happened was I met up a local. I just made sure they were authenticated. He had the livestock receipt and everything. So let's just break down the materials, man. I'm sure you guys seen this all early pairs. You've seen this everywhere on the internet. Like, I'm telling you right now, no one likes this shoe more than me, man. Without further ado, let's get into these Cactus Trails, man. So getting into the materials, of course, we have this nice buttery suede on the toe box. This actually feels very nice. It's nice and smooth. You have the same material that lies around the laces as well. Like, I don't know what kind of color this is, but it's a very pastel-like color. Next, you have like these beige lines. This sort of reminds me of the Air Max 97s, to be honest with you. So the Air Max 270s and the Air Max 97s had a baby. Boom! This is what would come out, man. Next, with the laces locked, you do have these red hits right here, which is a nice touch because it breaks up everything from the whole creamish vibe. Really dope. You see the tongue, I believe this is satin or nylon, I believe. Feels really dope. And on the back of the tongue, you do have this mesh-like material, which also leads up to the material in the sock liner. Next, you have this button right here. It's really cool. It doesn't do anything, but it looks aesthetically pleasing. It's purple and blue, which is dope because there's so many different colors on the shoe. None of it just throws me off. And of course, you have like the infrared Nike swoosh on here as well. Now this pull tab that's in front of this tongue, so you can only see the air sideways. Next, it comes like with this aged white laces. It looks like a cross between this color and white. Next, on the midsole, this is what the Cactus Jacks were known for, was this weird ass aged paint, which is on the side of the midsole that surrounds the shoe. I honestly love it. It looks like a vintage look, and I'm very sad to see it go, especially when it washes off eventually. But I'm very excited to see what it looks like without it too as well, because when these get worn, I'm telling you, these shoes are gonna look so much better when they're a little bit beat up as well. Next, my favorite part is like you have this nice fleece material, and it also has the orange Nike swoosh on the side. This material is dope. I don't know about this being more of a summer sneaker. In my personal opinion, this is more of like a spring fall sneaker. Just because of the materials that are in there, it probably tends to get a little bit hotter. Like when you have this shoe in hand, it already feels thicker up in the upper. The shoe is breathable, but keep in mind there are a lot of thicker materials on the shoe as well. Next, my absolute favorite detail of this shoe is the Cactus Jack pull tab, man. Like you got the orange Cactus Jack in the back with the cross, And just to see a pull tab that has a little bit of oomph to it, you know what I mean? This is enough for me to be like, yo, this is dope. The next, of course, you have the Nike React branding on the side, and let's get into the insole, man. So right now, you guys can see you have the Cactus Jack face, and you have like this grayish bluish insole. Now on this side, you do have the Cactus Jack insole as well, and this is the right shoe. The cool thing about this type of outsole as well, you would think that it was just white. It's actually a little bit translucent, so you can sort of see through it, but not really. You just stepped in salt and you let it age there. That's kind of look it's giving me on the bottom. Next, of course, you have the big Nike swoosh here, and you do have all these details, which is that washable paint that goes all the way to the forefoot. And of course, you have that React type of technology, but it's gonna be really nice on feet. I actually dig that they painted over the bubble as well. I don't know, it just adds a little bit more of a dark feel to it, and I thought that was really cool, but eventually that's gonna go away, so my pain. Now the coolest detail about this shoe as well, I don't know if you guys can see this, behind these little curves, not only there's a cool pattern in the front, but there's also a nice hidden pattern on the back. If you get these shoes close enough to you, these shoes are really nice, and obviously there's a lot of stuff going on to it. Honestly, I would not have constructed this shoe any other way. And last but not least, guys, you do see this white Nike swoosh here. The only downside that I would love on this shoe is if at least they made the Nike swoosh backwards. I know that you can spray paint it on, but like I really don't want to do that. Other than that, that's the only thing that I would change about the shoe. Overall, man, honestly, this is probably my favorite sneaker right now. I'm never gonna get rid of these. Like, this is a personal cop. Damn, bro, like, guys, check out the box. You do see it's a 9.5 right here, and this is the tag for anyone who is wondering. I do prefer a 9, and this is the best thing I could have got in the meantime. So this was definitely something I had to pull the trigger on, man. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. If you enjoy seeing sneaker reviews such as this one, and you like seeing on feeds, then this is definitely the channel for you. We have a lot more videos on the entertainment side coming your way, so please look out for that. We're almost at 300 subscribers. Maybe at the time of this video, we will be at 300 subscribers, but we're definitely trying to get monetized on YouTube. It's just something that I love so much. Now, for anybody who is wondering how we got our name, Flight for Hype TV, so like this YouTube channel, man, we're starting very small, and we're obviously trying to build as much as we can. That's like building hype, man. Like, every time a sneaker comes out, you're just building hype over and over and over. And one day, that shoe is so overly hyped, it just reaches its value. The only way you can go is up. So, man, that is why we are called Flight for Hype, because hopefully, if we build the hype for this channel, then we can start doing this for real. Guys, this is Jordan Stamina from Flight for Hype TV. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm missing something. Hello? Oh, what up, Travis? You want to see on feet? Alright, let's go.